Module 3, Typing and Formatting. A plain Excel sheet is boring. Today we're making it shine. Colors, bold letters, big fonts, and borders. Our project, a superhero score sheet. Click the cell, then look at the Home tab. Bold makes letters thick. Italic tilts them. The paint bucket fills the cell with color. The little A button changes the text color. Try them all. 3 formatting superpowers to remember: bold for headers, color for groups, and borders to box things in. Use them. Your sheet will look like a real designer made it. Mini project. Design a superhero score sheet. 5 heroes. Bold the header row. Color each hero's row a different color. Add borders. Show it off. Up next, math. Excel does addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for you. See you there.